How to find Discord servers to join on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for this board, this one right here. Navigate to the website, and once you are here, you will be able to search for any Discord servers you want. So for example, you can search for PUBG Discord servers. As you can see right here, there are several results. For example, for PUBG, it has 2,550 Discord server that you can join. So let's click on it. And here are the servers that you can join. As you can see, you can keep scrolling down. There are a lot of servers. So I'm just going to choose a random one. Say for example, this one right here. I will click join the server, and you will be redirected to your Discord app or your account, where you will be able to accept the invite. As you can see right here, I have just joined this server. It's that easy and simple, and you can do it with any kind of server you want. Just search for it and join the servers you like. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find Discord servers to join on mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.